Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Houchins, and I am a software engineer here at Iridium. Today, I'm going to be talking to you all about the Iridium Certus 9704 Developer Kit. This kit is Iridium's newest developer kit, and it is an end-to-end evaluation tool for the 9704 module. The kit provides all the hardware and software components that you need to experience the extensive capabilities of the Iridium satellite network. Within a matter of minutes of opening the box, you'll be able to send a message through the network and see your transceiver data displayed on your phone on a beautiful IoT dashboard. Now let me show you how. Here we have the 9704 Developer Kit. When you open the box, you'll find a QR code. When you scan the QR code, it will take you to our Getting Started guide. Next, you'll find the 9704 launchpad, a battery, an antenna, a right-angle antenna connector, and a USB-C cable. Everything you need to get started is right here. Now, let's move on to the software setup. Download and install the Arduino IDE, then install the 9704 Launchpad board package and library. Next, use the provided USB-C cable to connect the 9704 Launchpad to your computer. You now have everything you need to write your own software for the 9704 Launchpad.